Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create charts for reports in Google Sheets step by step. Charts help you visualize data, identify trends, and make your reports more professional and easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet containing the data you want to use. Next, click and drag to select the data range you want to include in your chart. Make sure to include the column headers as they will help label your chart correctly. Once your data is selected, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your data. On the right side, the Chart Editor panel will appear. Under the Setup tab, you can choose a different chart type, such as a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or column chart. Select the chart type that best represents your data. Next, switch to the Customize tab. Here, you can edit the chart title, axis labels, colors, legend position, and other design options. Take a few moments to make your chart clear and easy to read. Once you're satisfied with your chart, click anywhere outside the chart editor. Your chart is now ready to be included in your report. You can resize or move the chart by clicking and dragging it within the spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully created a chart for a report in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.